Hey y'all, this is Kathy Joe. I'm coming at you with another video. This is a collaboration, so what you need to do is go check out all these videos. The host is Christi at Christi Creates, and the co-host is Maria at Crafting with Maria. These two ladies are very, very talented. I love what they do. Y'all really need to check them out. Go to their channels and just sit down and just take in and watch their videos and enjoy, because I watch them. So, and y'all need to check out all the other ladies in these videos. They're amazing. They're very, very talented. And just you grab you a drink, like I said, sit down and watch the list and just enjoy. If this is the first time you're seeing me, again, I'm Kathy Joe. It's Crafting with Kathy Joe. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, then, I can't help it. I try. Anyway, please subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos to come. I usually release videos every Tuesday. So, but this is about everybody else coming together and enjoying theirs. But again, if you like what I do, I'd appreciate if you subscribe. And I want y'all to have a good day, be safe, and God bless. Let's get on with the videos. Okay, right here I'm taking this little crate that I got from the thrift store. And it was only 99 cents. And I'm taking my Moss chalk paint. And I'm going to paint it entirely, every bit of it. Obviously, it's not going to show every bit of it because I can still only load 15-minute videos. And I've had to edit this 70, 90, 30 times. I don't even know how many times. I just, I feel like I'm a robot now. But anyway, this is a collaboration video. And the host is Christi at Christi Creates. And the co-host is Maria at Crafting with Maria. So I got that little, thing, that little bicycle thing from the Dollar Tree. And it was a yardstick, and I just pulled a little yardstick off, and I'm putting it on my little crate there, which is absolutely adorable, I think. And that little thing come from Kroger Marketplace. It looks like a little cake stand. And anyway, I just glued my crate to the bottom of it, and after painting it. But anyway, I got this little egg hunt sign at Kroger Marketplace also, and I got it for $1. After the holidays. Check that out, because you can get really nice stuff from there. And that sign was originally $30, which I wouldn't pay $30 for it anyway. But they got the little arrows at the Dollar Tree that y'all can buy, and you can do the same thing with. I'm just painting that truffle, Waverly chalk paint truffle. But you paint it any color, any kind, anything you want. You do your thing. Anyway, I'm going to take ivory and I'm going to distress it just the way I like it. Everybody has their own opinion, how they like things, how they don't like things. That's why there's several creators on YouTube, and they all do different things, and they do things different. They might create the same craft, but they put their own spin on it and do it the way they like it. So, anyway, I cut out on my Cricut pumpkin form, or pumpkin form if you want. Anyway, you can take little letters. You get them at the Dollar Tree. You can get them at Hobby Lobby when they're sale 50% off. You can put pumpkin form, pumpkins for sale, whatever you want. It just doesn't matter. This is just what I wanted on there. This thing gave me a devil at the time. It did not want to stick to that wood. It did not. See? Look at me go. Yeah. Ugh. There it is, done with that part. But I'm going to take a little pumpkin here at the Dollar... Well, yeah. You get them at the Dollar Tree. I don't know how many's in a pack. I need to check. But I'm going to use white, and that's called pumpkin. Waverly chalk paint in pumpkin. So it's good. I'm painting a pumpkin. I don't know why. while it's still wet here, I'm going to take my same brush and dip it in the lid of my Waverly chalk paint there. And I'm just going to add some, just give it some texture, just some little, you know, spruce it up a little bit. Can't find the words. And that's odd for me because I always find words for everything. Y'all need to go check out everybody's video that's going to be in this playlist. Amazing people, very, very talented, just sweet, kind, yeah. Just go check it out. And I took a little piece of wire, made a little curly Q, and I twisted it on there. Had to delete that part of the video. And I glued it to the little stem, and then I tied a little jute twine bow, and I'm just gonna glue it all to my sign. So right here, right here, I'm gonna paint this in hazelnut, I think. I don't even remember now. I get so tongue twisted. Anyway, I got that little crate at the thrift store too. Hey, make sure you clean that stuff real good. Even when I saw it. Anyway, I'm gonna paint the entire thing. I hope to goodness that I'm not showing you me painting the entire thing, but if I do, I apologize, unless you like that kind of thing. Some people like to watch people paint. Some people also like for people to not talk as much, but I'm sorry, I'm not that person. Yep, I painted the whole thing. I'm so sorry for the background noise. So, I got one of the little candlesticks from the Dollar Tree, and I burnt myself right there. Anyway, and I'm gonna take nautical rope and wrap the entire thing up. It takes almost the entire nautical rope. It's a lot thinner than what it used to be. Not just shorter, it's thinner. So, anyway, I don't know what the millimeter is on it, or I'd tell y'all. I'll have to check that out and let y'all know. I got a little hello sign there from Dollar Tree, and I'm painting it in moss. I know I paint a lot of things moss. I like moss. Hey, moss is around year-round. You can find moss anywhere, so it's always going to be in style. It always has been. So I just de-stressed my box there a little bit the way I wanted it. Excuse me. I think y'all might see where I'm going with this. And I'm burning the little hairs off that. And I'm going to paint it in moss also. I like painted jute twine and nautical rope. I don't know why. So I'm just gluing my little hello sign on there. And I got me a little pumpkin. I'm going to paint me a white pumpkin. I like white pumpkins. I think they're pretty. So I'm just going to add a little texture that I'm adding with the same paintbrush, truffle. Just to give it some depth. Oh my, that looks like an onion. That don't look like a pumpkin. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna never do that again with a pumpkin. I apologize. It's too late now. I can't take it back. It looks like an onion. A happy fall onion. Oh my. So I'm just going to take a paint marker and write fall in there. I got tears rolling down my face. I'm so sorry. I gotta compose myself. Y'all know it looks like an onion. So, whoo. I put that burlap leaf in there, just glued it in there so it would stay. I wanted to put more leaves in there to make it look pretty, but I think that burgundy and that green looks really good together. And I painted me some pumpkin. There's another white pumpkin, and I'm just gluing them to the little edge of my thing there. Like I said, you can use a shadow box or a little crate from Dollar Tree and create the same thing. And then there's another moss, oh my goodness, I'm sorry, pumpkin. And then the original colors, they just came in, you know, the orange and like a cream color they have there. Oh goodness, I'm so sorry. So I'm gluing my little pumpkin to my hello sign, and I cut out some little burlap leaves out of the little burlap leaves and stuck it to it. It still didn't help it look like a pumpkin. So I'm putting a bunch of glue down on my little candlestick, and I'm gonna put one of them little block cubes. You can put anything down in there that you get from the Dollar Tree in the packet. And I put a lot more glue, and I'm just sticking that up on there. And excuse me, I still think it's cute. I think it turned out adorable. Anyway, see, it's still cute, and there's everything.